Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and today I'm going to talk to you about do-it-yourself doorknob installation. Installing a doorknob is relatively easy, but it can be kind of tricky, especially if you don't have the right tools. For this job, you will need either a Phillips head screwdriver or a Phillips tip bit hooked to a drill and your doorknob. First thing you want to do is go ahead and slide your plunger through the side of the door into the hole. If you have two holes there, one's for a deadbolt, the other's for two holes. You want to use the bottom one for your doorknob and the top one for your deadbolt. There's an angle on this plunger. You want that facing the door jamb. That way, as it closes, it'll hit that strike plate and close the plunger for you. Now, on my drill, I have an extension bit. That'll come into play just a little bit later. It's not necessary, I just like to use it. So we'll take the drill, put our screw in position, and drill it in. We'll go ahead and do that to the top screw as well. Next, we're going to take our doorknob. Our doorknob sits together with a square piece of metal that comes and joins in to the interior side, which allows you to lock the door and twist the doorknob. Now we're going to put our doorknob into position, making sure that the square tube lines up with the square receiver on the inside in the plunger. Next, we're going to take the inside of the doorknob and put it over that piece. You can kind of twist your lock to make sure that that piece lines up, and then push it into position. I like to go ahead and give it a twist to make sure that I have contacted those parts inside that allow the doorknob to twist. Then I'll take my screw, put it in there, and go ahead and just tighten it up a little bit by hand to make sure that I've hit the hole correctly. I'll do that on both sides. Now here's where I like to have my extension bit. If you don't have an extension bit, you're going to be really close to your doorknob and the drill can scratch your knob. So with the extension bit, I can get in there on the side of this knob and be able to tighten my screws with no scratches. Now the last step is to put your strike plate on. They've routed out an insert here on the side of the jamb that allows the strike plate to be recessed in there. So go ahead, set our strike plate there, take our wood grain screws and tighten it up. Knowing how to install your doorknob is kind of important. That way, if you ever have any problems with it, you know how to take it apart and put it back together, and you don't have to wait on a locksmith or a contractor. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.